have always loved period weatherboard homes. We used to always walk down the street, and my husband always said that if a property came up, he would always hope to be in this street. And then years later, one did, and we bought it. We loved the period style of the home, but it needed a lot of work and love, and so we went straight into a renovation. So when you walk through the front door, you walk into a beautiful extra wide hallway. You get glimpses of the backyard and the pool in the backyard. It really sort of reveals itself in the back room, which has got 5.5 metre ceilings. In the back, we've got this beautiful big pitched window that faces north. And this was really important for us to make sure that you got lots of beautiful northern light through the home. And through the seasons, you'll obviously, with the sun in different places, you'll get different directions and different sunlight coming through, and it really makes the back room feel so nice and bright. This house is incredible as an entertaining home. It is so easy. Everything about entertaining here is easy because it's really spacious, but then it feels like it's quite close together in a way. So you can be in the kitchen, you can have people out by the pool, you can have people out making pizzas, sitting outside. It's such a large space that you can entertain lots of people. We wanted to have that sort of contrast between the original period home at the front of the house and sort of make sure that it sort of kept and maintained all those beautiful features. And then we wanted to contrast that with a modern, almost barn-like extension at the back. Designing a single-storey home, single-level home, was really important to me. I really like how easy it is, all being on the one level. But then also because we've got that zoned bedroom wing separate from the master, you still feel, it feels like so spacious. You've got so much separation whilst it being so easy to go from the front to the back of the house. It's really amazing. I love it. My favourite space would probably be sitting outside, out the back by the pool. We've got such a green backyard, which is so nice. The location is amazing. I think that this is the best location in Bayside. You are right between the shops on Hampton Street, but also Sandringham Village. In under 10 minutes, you can walk to both of the stations, you can walk to the beach, you can walk to the local school, you can walk to the local parks, the yacht club, anything. It's really all within walking distance. Obviously, we've got the pool here, which is incredible, and we love using that pool almost year round, but you definitely do want to be able to go to the beach, and the beach is really just down the road. So you can walk to the beach with the kids, relax, have a great time. It's really just amazing.